Hey, boss. Come talk to me. Yeah. How you doing, man? Take your hands out of your pockets for me. How you doing?
What you doing well until I got stopped? What's up?
Yeah, LP called and said that you were concealing some items inside your jacket.
So who do I sue?
Huh?
Who do I sue when you don't find?
Well, hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel TYT Sports. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Also, if you love retro video games as much as I do, please check out our new YouTube channel, Retro Gaming Central, where we cover all things in that genre. In today's video, we will witness Eric Lindsay of Liberty Township, Ohio, in a fluffy orange coat walk into a Meijer supermarket on his way home from work on January 29th, 2021 to get some groceries. Unfortunately for Mr. Lindsay, he happened to go into the store immediately after a shoplifting incident had occurred. You would think, since the police were already on the scene investigating the alleged crime when Mr. Lindsay walked in, that Mr. Lindsay would be safe to continue about his day unharassed, but you would be wrong. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
Hey, come get this on film.
Well, that's what
Who do I sue?
No, we're just trying to figure it out.
Like I said, we got a call that LP is following somebody. Okay, they say he's got a brown jacket on. Okay, jacket
That's all.
underneath.
I walked in here 5 minutes after you guys walked in. I saw you walk in. So how could they see me
Sir,
still?
I have no idea.
Get this on film, please.
Yeah. That's what we're here just trying to figure it out.
So what do you want? What do you want me to do?
If you have things concealed.
What did
in
they
your
say? A
jacket-
black man did it?
No.
sir. Then
Well,
you
what
give a
did they
call.
say?
Tan jacket.
Because I walked in here
like your
after you guys.
Listen.
Yep.
This isn't tan.
Do you have any items in your jacket?
Hell yeah, I got items in my jacket.
Okay.
The items that I walked in here with behind you guys.
The description of the shoplifting suspect was a white male in his 30s that was wearing a green or gray Carhartt coat with a red hoodie underneath. Mr. Lindsay, a 60-year-old black man, was detained by police as soon as he walked into the store. Mr. Lindsay is now suing for humiliation, embarrassment, and significant mental suffering as a result of his unlawful detainment, according to the lawsuit.
Clear one in custody.
We just take him to it.
In the same way that so many African Americans have been confronted by law enforcement for going about their daily lives and doing nothing illegal, this case is about the unjustified and illegal profiling, detention, and interrogation of an African American customer by the police officers, as well as a completion action of the retail store where it occurred. Police ordered Mr. Lindsay to remove his hands out of his jacket pockets while accusing him of concealing goods in his jacket. Mr. Lindsay's lawyer, Fannin Rucker, said Mr. Lindsay was the lone African American in the store and should have been the last person they had stopped. Take a good look at the last clip of the video. The actual shoplifting suspect was arrested on site in the store, and he matches the description to a T. According to Mr. Rucker, the officers walked past a dozen or more shoppers and didn't speak to a single one of them. They went straight to Mr. Lindsay and started questioning him about this incident. While the store clerk and the officers later apologized to Mr. Lindsay, the lawsuit claims that the incident exemplifies racial profiling that many people of color face on a daily basis. Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to go over and check out TYT Sports YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Also, if you'd like to see more content like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.